Welcome back to another video, and I have had a little bit of more time lately, so I'm trying to get more videos out, and this video is just going to be an update on the best low budget ad strategies that is giving me a 7% ACOS, so check this out. Now, if you haven't heard about this ad campaign before, it is called a lottery campaign, and I talked about it in a previous video where I tried it out for 1 month and I had really good results, and I'll link that video above and at the end of this video as well, so you can check it out. And before I show you this month's results, what I will do is just quickly take you through how to set up your own lottery ads campaign. So once you log into your KDP account, just make sure you go over to marketing at the top, and then you scroll down and take a look at the Amazon ads. So choose the marketplace where you want to run your ads. I always go with the marketplace where I make most of my sales, which is .co.uk. Then once that has loaded, at the top you can just choose your ad group name, and then if you want to add as many books as you can on that page, all you need to do is click add all on this page, and then you'll see the amount of books at the top here. Now what we need to do is scroll down again, and this next section where it talks about targeting, we need to choose automatic targeting, and this is just where Amazon will target keywords and products that are similar to the product in your ad, so you don't have control, but Amazon has all the control. Then we need to put the default bid quite low. You can start at 5 pence, but if you're not getting the impressions, then you can always increase that, but it's good to start at 5 pence. Then we scroll further down, you can leave negative keyword targeting and keep scrolling down, and then we want to go dynamic bids down only. So Amazon will only allow you to spend up to 5 pence per click or lower, and it won't go above that. Finally, just make sure you choose a campaign name that's very easy to identify with, and with the daily budget you can put that at £3 or £5, as your default bid is so low, so it will never reach that daily budget. And as soon as you've finished that, just click launch campaign and you're ready. So let's take a look at my results for the lottery campaign for the month of October, and you can see that I spent $9.42, which gave me sales of $128.63, and I had an amazingly low ACOS of 7.32%. And you can see that I had a total of 18 orders. And what I love about this type of ad strategy is that it is so easy to run, and the results so far have been really impressive. Now, if we go further into the campaign, we can actually take a look at the books and see their results as well. So we just start off with this first book here, and we can see I only spent 3 pence in order to get this sale, and it's given me a ridiculously low ACOS of 0.38%. Even with my next book, I only spent a total of 38 pence, and I've got a 1.14% ACOS. And just taking a look at all the ACOS, you can see how incredibly low they are. So if you are somebody that is maybe quite worried and anxious about running ads, then definitely try out this campaign. I've only spent £9.42, but the main thing is to just be patient with this ad strategy. Give it a little bit of time, at least a month or two, and if you're not getting the amount of impressions, then you might just want to increase the default bid by slightly more. Again, give it a little bit of time and hopefully you should start seeing some results. So that's an update for the month of October, and if you guys want me to keep on doing videos on this ad strategy, then just let me know, and thanks for watching another video.